Hi guys and welcome to Car Flicks. Today we're going to be changing the wiper blades on a 2010 Peugeot RCZ. So without further ado, let's crack on with the video. To do this fit, you're going to need a nice soft towel and a pair of Bosch Aero twin A636S wiper blades. They're both 26 inch and I can highly recommend these, and I'll stick the link in the description below. So let's get started and get the car unlocked. Next, let's get the driver's side door open. Locate the washer fluid stalk and press it down once. This then puts the car into a mode which will allow you to change the windscreen wiper much easier. Put the driver's side stalk up, put a soft towel down, push your thumb into the nib and slowly wiggle it out. Now this is the reason why I put a towel there. This arm is spring loaded. If it was to fall down, it would then crack your windscreen. Anyway, here's the Bosch wiper blade. You can see here there's a wedge on the left hand side. This must face towards your side mirror. Once you've identified the correct side wiper, go ahead to slide it in gently, but when you get towards the end, just give it a really good click in, like that. Remove your towel, old wiper and gently place the arm back down. If you're enjoying this video so far, why not consider liking and subscribing? Move over onto the passenger side of the vehicle and again, place your towel down to protect the windscreen. Push your finger in, release, identify the right side, slide the new one in till it clicks. Remove your towel and place the windscreen wiper down gently. Finally press the wiper stalk down again and they should close. And there you have it, some high quality Bosch wiper blades. And I think they look great. You've got the Bosch logo on there. I'm really pleased. Thanks ever so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Till the next time, see you on the next one.
Bye! Bye!